Hello everyone, welcome to your channel, your ultimate destination for mastering computer science concept and ace any competitive exam based on computer science. I am Prerna Sinha and today we are diving into a crucial topic that will help you to conquer the upcoming BPSC 3.2 teacher exam. In today's video, we are going to tackle some important MCQ that you might encounter in the examination. These MCQ are basically designed to test your knowledge and understanding of key concepts. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel so you never miss an update from us. If you are aiming to become a certified computer science teacher, you are in the right place. So without wasting our time, let's start with the first question. The very first question is, which data structure uses last in first out order? Options are queue, stack, linked list or array. I know the question is easy, but we can't forget that in our previous examination there were questions regarding FIFO. So think properly and answer the question. The correct answer will be that. Next question is, which protocol is used to transfer web pages on the internet? The options are FTP, File Transfer Protocol, SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and POP3. Please carefully watch all the options and get the right answer. The correct answer will be HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Next question is, what is the purpose of a compiler? We write the code in assembly language, but computer don't understand the assembly language, so we need to convert it into computer understandable language. For that purpose, we need translator. The compiler is a translator which helps to convert the high level language to machine level language. So the right answer will be the first one. Now the next question is from HTML tag. HTML basically hypertext markup language which is used for making the website, and these tags used for largest heading H1 to H6. So we have to find out which is the largest heading. The correct answer will be H1. H6 will be the smallest one. So don't confuse. The next question is, in object-oriented programming, what does encapsulation refer to? Read the options carefully. A, ability to hide the data, ability to modify the data, the ability to inherit method, the ability to overload function. Encapsulation. The word capsule is little bit similar, in which the things are capsulated, the vitamins are inside the capsule. So the answer will be hide the data. Which of the following is a characteristics of RAM, random access memory? The correct answer will be volatile. Volatile means if the power supply will be goes off, the data will be gone. The next question is, what does IP stands for in networking? Internet protocol, internal protocol, internet procedure, or internal procedure? You may find out easy, but during examination, it may confuse us sometimes. So the correct answer will be internet protocol. Which sorting algorithm has the best average time complexity? Bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, merge sort. It is one of the important questions. It may occur in the examination. So the correct answer will be merge sort. Which of the following is a primary key in database? Primary key. This is very important. While we reading the question, we find out the most important points. What the question is asking. Primary key in database. The correct answer will be it uniquely identified for record. Now the next question is, what is normalization in database? For reducing redundancy, increasing redundancy, creating indexes, creating backups. Basically, we use normalization, first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, till fourth normal form, to reduce the redundancy. Which structured query language clause is used to sort the results? The correct answer will be order by. Sort means we can sort the result set in ascending order or descending order. So order by ascending, A, S, C, or order by descending. By default, the order will be ascending. The next question is, what is normalization in database? The question is repeated, but still it is used to reducing the redundancy. Which of the following is a type of join? Join in SQL. As the name suggests, join. Join means jorna, like how to get the output from the two different tables. So for this purpose, there are many joins are there in SQL. So the right answer will be all of these: inner join, outer join, cross join, left join, right join, full outer join. These are kinds of joins. So these all are kind of joins. Now the next question is, what is foreign key? Earlier we see what is primary key. Now the question is regarding what is foreign key. Sorry, the key that uniquely identify the records. No, it's primary key. The key used to connect two tables. Yes, this is the correct answer. Foreign key is used to connect two tables. What is the function of SQL select statement? In a structured query language, when we start learning SQL, the first and foremost thing that we learn is about the select statement. Select start from the table, select start. So select start from the table, select star from the table. I'm sorry. So we can say the select command is used to fetch the data from the table. What is the purpose of SQL where clause? Where clause and having clause. These are two clauses which are used to filter the records. But there is difference between these two that will be discussed later. Which SQL statement is used to delete a table? Delete. You may be confused between delete and drop. The delete command is basically delete the data but don't delete the structure of the table. But the drop table will delete the whole table. So the question is, which statement is used to delete the table? So the right answer will be drop command or drop the table. Drop table, table name. What does DML stands for in database? DML stands for data modification language, data manipulation language, data markup language, data model language. So the correct answer will be data manipulation language. There are DDL, DML, data definition language, data manipulation language. The next question is, which command is used to add a new record to a table in SQL? The correct answer will be insert into table name. Like when we need to if there is a record of student's roll number and we need to record add a new record of for a new student, then we use the insert command to enter the record in the table. The next question is, which SQL function is used to count the number of rows in a table? The answer will be count. What does AC stands for in database? It is very important question. Mark this. You may see this question in an examination. The correct answer will be atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Now the next question is, what is a primary key constraint in SQL? Constraint to ensure that all values in a column are unique. All values in a column are unique. Okay, fine. The other option is a constraint to ensure that all values in a column are not null. No, this is not right. A constraint to ensure that all values in a column are unique and not null. So the right answer will be this one. Next question is, which of the following is not a valid aggregate function? Aggregate function is basically for the mathematical function mean, max, average, sum. So mult is not any aggregate function in SQL. Which of the following is a type of database management system? Hierarchical DBMS, network DBMS, relational data DBMS. So all of these are database. What is SQL transaction? It is important. All the questions are important, but some are like may come in this 25. So what is SQL transaction? SQL transaction is a sequence of operations performed on a single unit. Now the next question is, what is the purpose of SQL group by clause? Group by clause. Group by, like means group the things together. So read the options carefully. To group records by one, to group records by one or more columns, to sort records by one or more columns, to filter records by one or more columns, to join records by one or more columns. Group, sort, filter, or join. The correct answer will be to group records by one or more columns. The next question is, which of the following is a type of SQL constraint? Not null, unique, or primary key. All of these are SQL constraints. Now this is important. Take your time. What is the default port number of MySQL? Correct answer will be 330. Just find out what is port number and let me know in the comment box. What is port number? Which command in SQL is used to update a record in a table? Update, modify, change, alter. The correct answer will be update. Update and set. These are two things which always used together. Update table name, set this to this. 30. What are the disadvantages of array? Okay, the questions is from data structure. Disadvantage of array. Index value of an array can be negative. Elements are sequentially accessed. So this is right. Data structures like queue or stack cannot be implemented. There are chances of wastage of memory space if elements inserted in array are lesser than the allocated size. Okay, this is the disadvantage of array data structure. Next question is, which data structure is used for implementing recursion? It is important. BPSC used to ask this kind of question. So the options are stack, queue, list, array. The correct answer will be stack. Data structure is one of the most important crucial topics. So try to focus on that. The data structure required to check whether an expression contains a balanced parenthesis is queue, stack, tree, array. The correct answer will be stack. Which of the following is not the application of stack? Not. While you are reading the question, read it properly so that you don't miss these words not. Sometimes we used to forget this. So the options are sorry, data transfer between two asynchronous process, compiler syntax analyzer, tracking of local variables at runtime, a parenthesis balancing program. So stack is not used for data transfer between asynchronous process. It is used for synchronous process. So this is not the application. Next question is, which data structure is needed to convert infix notation to postfix notation? The options are tree, branch, stack, queue. The correct answer will be stack. What data structure would you mostly likely to see in non-recursive implementation of recursive algorithm? It is important. Little bit of confusing. So read the question again. What data structure would you most likely see in non-recursive implementation of a recursive algorithm? The options are stack, linked list, tree, queue. The correct answer will be stack. Next question is, which of the following statement about a stack data structure is not correct? Top of the stack always contains the new node. This is right. Stack is the FIFO data structure. Correct. Null link is present in the last node at the bottom of the stack. Sorry, this is wrong. Stack is LIFO, not FIFO. So this is the right answer. Like question is, which is not correct? Stack is basically LIFO, not FIFO. So correct answer will be the stack is the FIFO data structure, which is wrong. The stack is LIFO structure. Last in, first out. Sorry for this thing. Next question is, the data structure required for BF rate's first traversal on a graph is Q. BPSC may ask this kind of questions, so try to focus this kind of questions and practice more and more because we have less time to conquer the examination. The data structure required for the rate first traversal on the graph is Q. So the next question is, which of the following three data structure is not a balanced binary tree? Clay tree, B tree, avial tree, red black tree. The correct answer will be B tree. Which of the following application makes use of a circular linked list? Circular linked list is used in recursive function calls, undo operation in a text editor, implement hash table, allocating CPU to resources. The correct answer will be this one, allocating CPU to resources. Now the last question is, what is a beat array? Beat array is a data structure that compactly stores beats. Data structure for representing array of records. Array in which elements are not present in continuous location. An array in which most of the elements have the same value. The correct answer will be data structure that compactly stores bits. The answer key is on the last page. After attempting the test, you can go through it. So that's it for today. But before if you like the video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to for my YouTube channel for regular updates. We try to continue this mock test till the exam is so that it helps you to qualify the examination. So all the best and keep learning. Bye bye. Take care.